Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to convert images to PDF in Windows 11 quickly and easily. Whether you have JPG, PNG, or other image files, converting them to a PDF is useful for sharing, printing, or archiving. Windows 11 offers built-in tools that make this process straightforward. No extra software required. Let's get started. First, locate the images you want to convert into a PDF. Once selected, right-click on any of the selected images and choose Show More Options, then click Print. This will open the image printing window. From the Printer dropdown, select Microsoft Print to PDF. Choose your paper size, for example, A4, and optionally check the Fit Picture to Frame option. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Print. After clicking Print, a Save window will appear. Choose the location to save the file, name your PDF, then click Save. Choose the location to save the file, name your PDF, then click Save. Windows will process and save the images as a single PDF file. Once done, you can double-click the new PDF file to open and view your images. Hopefully one of these steps helped you successfully convert your images into a single PDF file. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.